friends, and welcome to my channel. And again here I am with a huge Amazon haul for home and kitchen organization as well as decor. So if you like my videos, please do consider subscribing. There are many videos posted, the link will be given below. Recently I have posted the Amazon haul for wardrobe organizers and the western wear haul from Amazon again. So please do check those videos, subscribe to my channel, please comment what you like, and even if you don't like, please do comment. So without any delay, now let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I'll start with a very cute product that I have ordered from Amazon, and it is this fridge magnets. They are so cute. They are in a set of 2, pink in color, says you and me. They are so cute that I couldn't resist buying them, so I immediately bought them. Although they are quite pricey, the prices would be the screen, and but they are so cute. Just look at it. When I put it in the refrigerator, they look so, I mean, they make your day. So I bought this simple. I love magnets actually. And these also another cute magnets I bought. If you have seen my Christmas video, Christmas haul video, I bought these cute magnets again for Christmas. I thought if I'm showing these magnets, why not show these one also. So if you, like me, you are very fond of magnets, you are very fond of cute products, then do buy these. Another product is from Amazon is this spice organizer. This too you might have seen. Maybe I am the last one to review this, but the only thing I want to say about this organizer is, usually you would have seen the organizer with 9 sections. This is one with 12 sections, although the boxes are very small here. But why I bought 12 sections was that I could fill different spices at the same time in the same box. So that's why I ordered 12 sections. Plus this you can even use as your jewelry organizer. So it's a very good organizer for your wardrobe also, for your dressing table also, as well as your kitchen also. So I am planning to buy one more for this jewelry organization. Yeah, so it comes with a small spoon, a very cute wooden spoon, and this is how I have organized them. Okay, so the next product is this jute mat. Actually I bought it not as a mat. I use this for decorating my center table, just keeping it like this, for example in this center table, and putting a good mug or a bowl on this, and it's done. So this is quite bohemian, that's why I bought it. Jute design, very cool. You can get it in local market also, but I bought it from Amazon. Okay. So the next, again very natural product is this cane basket. Isn't it so cute? I think I have ordered so many cute things only. I don't know why I bought this, but this was looking so cute and I bought it. Simple, it's a cane basket from inside like this. And you can hang it, you can keep the 3/4 or wine inside this and hang it with a jute rod or maybe something, and it can be a good option against a macrame. Macrame plant holders are so very costly, and you can use this also. This also will give a bohemian touch to your living room or bedroom. You can even keep it on the center table. If you have not seen my center table ideas, I have put such kind of basket. Do check out that video also. I'll give you somewhere in the suggestion. Maybe my next living room decoration would be somewhat related to bohemian, so do subscribe. Okay, so next thing that I have ordered is, these are the sheer curtains. I don't know if you are able to see this. When you will listen about the prices of these, you will really be shocked. I bet you. These are so cheap, and now it's a trend to use 2 kinds of curtains, like sheer and dark curtains. So what I would suggest, guys, is do not buy such a costly clothes for your curtains from the local stores, because there are so many of n number of beautiful curtains now available in Amazon, and within the range of 1000 or 1500. Believe me, do check it in Amazon. I had done the mistake, you know, my curtains, house curtains costed somewhere around 10,000, 15,000 bucks, but now when I see them in Amazon, I really, you know, regret having buy them, because it, after buying these costly curtains, you can't even change them. But buying a cheap curtains within 1000, 1500, I think you can change your curtains probably every year or 6 months. So these are the sheer curtains. Actually, I bought these curtains to make a tent, a DIY romantic tent. So yeah, my purpose is this, but you can buy them for your windows. And this I have bought a set of two. This is the material, how it looks. So next product that I am going to show you is the simple air freshener. Just I ordered from Amazon, that's why I'm showing it to you. But the only problem with this is that it has a on and off button inside it, like after opening this, which is very difficult. Next thing that I have brought from Amazon, I think you should buy it, and it is these lightings from Amazon. These are the profile light. My kitchen didn't have the light under the cabinet, that's why I bought it. So guys, this is a very good solution. You don't need a carpenter, you don't need an electrician. Just buy these lights. I'll show you how slim they are, even for those who have rental homes, for the rental kitchens. This is absolutely a good solution. Just look at it, how sleek it is. It's so sleek design. Even if you are putting it under the cabinet, I don't think people will be able to see that there's profile light. So it's so cute. And this I bought 2 pieces. It's a 24-inch, that is a 2 feet light. You also get it in 1 feet if you want smaller light for your kitchen under the kitchen cabinet. But I bought it bigger one because my cabinet is quite big, more than this 2 feet also. So this is a very good solution. I'm surely going to show it to you how it looks in my kitchen when I'll do my kitchen tour. So yeah, I was, you know, so upset when I used to see other people's kitchen having so much of light, and I thought, why didn't I got that idea of putting these profile lights under the kitchen cabinet? But now I don't regret. This is quite a solution, and I love them. Next thing that I have bought from Organizer, you will say, why am I even showing it to you? But believe me, it has a good tip. These are the stickers, the vinyl stickers. I am sure you all might be having this in your kitchen, but why I am showing it to you is these vinyl stickers are of smaller size than the usual ones. You might have seen in my previous vlogs, I have used the vinyl stickers in my kitchen, but they are too big, like so big that I have to cut it into 2 pieces and use into 2 containers. But that problem I'm not going to have in this one, because they are smaller in size. Plus all the 108 stickers are of same shape, so there is going to be symmetry between your containers. Don't buy those stickers which are in different shapes. Believe me, I have done this mistake. You don't repeat it. That's why I'm showing this to you, a very useful tip. So the next thing that I bought from Amazon is this milk frother. I'm sure I'm the last person to review this, but why I bought this was, once I really wanted to drink coffee and just didn't make it because of the reason of who will wash that mixer grinder and everything. So I just bought this because I think this is very compact, and directly you can froth the milk for your coffee inside the mug. So I bought this, nothing special about it. This, I'll tell you, the delivery charge was more than the actual cost of this coffee frother, but no issues. I was not able to find it in the local market, so I just ordered it for the sake of convenience. Okay, next thing that I want to show you is this. I have brought for my under the kitchen sink cabinet, and to store all that liquids and extra things for your bathroom. This is black in color. This costed me somewhere around 749 rupees, but I bought this, and I'm surely going to show you how I have organized under the kitchen sink cabinet. So please subscribe. There is a 2-tier rack also available of the same brand, but I bought this 3-tier because there were more things to be organized. If you are planning to keep this in your kitchen countertop, then I would suggest you buy a 2-tier rack, because this 3-tier rack would look so tall and very uneven, odd in your kitchen. So yeah, this is a metal rack. It's very heavy, but it looks so good. It looks so elegant. So guys, the last thing that I have bought from Amazon is these cute planters. This comes in a set of 5, another red and green I have already started using. So these are the planters. Here are the hooks at the back side. Majorly they are the railing planters. You can even put on your window grills, and these come in very cute colors, you know, polka dots design. I think this time I have bought very cute stuff. I think very bright colors. Another 2 are of red and green color of the same design. So yeah, this is all about my shopping. I think I have done quite a lot of shopping from Amazon this time. But yeah, shopping तो चलती रहती है. You know, you need things for your home. You need something to decor. You need something to change your decor at your home. So shopping तो बनता है. Shopping चलती रहेगी. Videos बनते रहेंगे. Reviews मैं देती रहूँगी. So please watch my channel. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.